How's it going today, YouTube? We've been working on Betty today. I got something special for her. I worked on it a couple days ago, and in anticipation of, well, if you can see behind me, that big old box. So, what are we doing to improve Betty? Now, granted, I did figure out that the headlights were a blown fuse, and the windshield wipers, the bushings for the linkage popped off, so I got to get some new bushings for that. What sucks about it though, let's flip this around real quick, is you got to take the cowl off, and that's a pain in the butt. It really is on these old trucks. That is a pain in the butt. But anyway, so what could be in this big box over here? Well, let's take a look what's in the big box. It's probably something that goes into here. So, you can see it's from LMC truck. So yeah, it's the grill, the new one. This here is the old grill I took off. So let's set the camera up, open the box up, and put this thing together. I'll show you how to put together one of these, what is it, 90, I think it's 90 through 93 grills. They're a little different than all the other ones. So let me get the camera set up and we'll put this grill together. Okay, let's get this box opened up. I hate these staples. Packing. There's the grill. I think most of the way that whole box was just the packing. So, now let's see what we got. Of course, if I tried to do that, I couldn't have done it. Get that out of the way. And there's the new grill. Now then, what we have to do is we have to put in the inserts. And in this box, I have 4 new inserts. And then a whole bag of hardware. That should be everything in that box. Okay, so now we got everything unboxed. Or the hardware out here. Now I bought everything they said I needed for this. So, and I went with LMC because LMC was actually the cheaper option to get everything. Because I looked on eBay and I looked at a couple other sites, and oh, excuse me. And they were all, it was like $250 for just the surround. So I was able to get everything for about 3 1/4. So I need to get all this stuff laid out so I know what's what. Because I got like individual screws and the pop ends and some other pop ends. So I'm just gonna get everything organized. I was thinking about doing this before I started the video. However, I wanted to make sure y'all seen that I was actually opening everything up. So you got different like square head screws and then the round head screws. I'm not sure what those white ones go for, but let's get these opened up. I mean, I will say L&C does pack their stuff really nicely. Okay. See, you just screw directly into these. That's all you do. There's 4 per, there's 4 of these, and they go screw in from the. These are actually specific, aren't they? Let's see. And yes, I have an annoying neighbor's dog. Let's open and see if I can figure out exactly how that goes in there. That's not it. There we go. There's one. See, it doesn't. It's not telling me on here what the placement is. Did online. It didn't say which was what. So yes, that dog's gonna be annoying. I apologize, but there's nothing I can do. He's gonna stay out there and bark the whole time I'm out here. So anyway, see, this one should go here. Nope, that one doesn't fit there. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Messed me up. Okay. So we're gonna get all these set in here. So it's gonna look like it's got a facelift after all this. That's essentially what it's getting, because that old grill, whoever had the truck before me, and not the guy that owned it for that year, but he had painted the grill and the bumpers, and there we go. There's gonna be the full grill right there. Now what I gotta do is I gotta lay this over somehow so these things don't fall out. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. I think I have to do it while they're standing up, or at least get a screw in each of them. So, and they're going to be, since they're going to be these pan heads here. So let me get 4 of these pan heads out. And I'll get 1 pan head in each one. Okay, well now then we got this all put together with some headaches. Why not? Boy, it's gonna make a big difference on old Betty. Nice chrome. I do wish it did say Dodge up here, but not all of them did, so it is what it is. But this is a million times better than what I had. So we'll get this, we'll put it on the truck, and we'll start bolting it up. And then we can put the bull bar back on it, and we can show the final product. So we'll be back. Okay, there's a new grill put on. Makes a big difference. That brand new grill on that truck. Now I just got to get the bull bar put on. So get that put on, then we'll come back. Okay, so by the magic of YouTube, I got the bull bar back on it. Now then what I gotta do, I gotta wire in these lights in the front and do them better this time than what I did last time. But yeah, that's the front end. We'll get the lights hooked up and we'll show you what everything looks like. We'll be back. Well, now we're finished with the grill. Boy, I can see my reflection in the grill. That's so awesome. Let's flip it around and take a good look at it. Yeah, there's the grill with the push bar on it. I'll show a picture. I'll insert a picture of what it looked like beforehand. But yeah, that's the grill. I'll step back here where we can really look at it. And like I said earlier, sorry for the dogs. But there's the grill on Black Betty. So anyway, sorry if the video was a little messed up because of everything else going on, but that's the video. Later, guys.